Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to view your delivery, how to add a delivery address in the Temu app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have some suggestions, some things we can buy. From here we just go into the EU menu, tap on addresses, and then tap on add a new address. And here we can add our address where we want to have items ordered in the app delivered to. We can select the country, we can enter our name, the street where we live and the house number, the apartment building if it is the case, state, province, city, postal code, phone number, so they can notify us if the item has been delivered. And then we can tap on this email to link this address to our email and to make sure that the Temu app can notify us about promotions and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.